Hello, Junko Mar speaking. How can I help you? Hi Junko, it's Andrea here from the right band. I'm calling about our latest order. Everything arrived okay, right? We got the delivery confirmations at our end. Yes, everything's fine with the order. I'm calling about the invoice and the payment terms. I need a favor. Favor? What do you need? This is a little too difficult, but I need an extensions on the payment terms. I know they are usually 30 days, but we're having some cash flow problems. You would literally be helping us, or if you could extend it to 60 days. I'm not sure if I can do that, Andrea. We have got regulation at our end and also have to manage our own cash flow. I promise this won't become the norm, Jungo. Actually, I also want to place another new order. The same size order as last time. It's for an important customer and pay on delivery. I see. So your cash flow problem will be solved after this no order delivery? Exactly. That sounds good. Hold on, Andrea. Let me see what I can do. Yes, I think we can make an exception this time. That's great, Junko. I appreciate your help. And we appreciate your browsiness, Andrea. It works both ways. Thanks again, Junko. Can you send me a quick email confirmation of the payment terms extension? Sure, no problem. We are happy to help you. Great, and I will email you the new order. Thanks. I'll keep an eye on for it. Take this soon. You too. Goodbye. Part 2. So you have got a few minutes to discuss with your partner. So as far as I know, the main similarity between Mars and Earth is they can both support human life. Yeah, but we know that's actually true. I mean, Mars is much colder than Earth, isn't it? Its size here about minus 55 degrees most of the time, whereas on Earth only places like Antarctica get cold. True. Well then, I suppose you could say both planets are a similar distance from the Sun. No way! Mars is much further away. It says here it's 228 million kilometers, while Earth is about 150 millions. Yes, but in space that's not that far. Jupiter is like almost 790 million kilometers. That's why we use astronomical units when we talk about distance in space. Earth is one astronomical unit from the Sun, and Mars is 1.3. The difference doesn't sound so big when you look at it that way. I see that you mean. Jupiter is 5.2 astronomical units, so I guess you're right. What other similarities are there between the two planets? Let's see. Not the color, obviously. Yeah, Earth is called blue planet and Mars is called the red planet. For pretty obvious reasons. Their size are pretty different. Mars is about half the size of Earth. What about this? It looks like the days on both planets are almost the same length. Earth's day is 24 hours, but Mars is about half an hour longer. You're right. Okay. Any other things they both share? I suppose you could say they have water in common. Could you how? Well, Earth is 70% water and Mars probably had hot oceans in the past. It's just that most of the water there now is probably frozen. Ah, I see. I don't think we can say the air is the same, though most of Earth's air is nitrogen and oxygen, but Mars doesn't really have air, not compared with Earth. It's got about 1% as much air as Earth, right? And it's mostly carbon dioxide. Gravity is another difference. I didn't know this, but Mars has higher gravity than the Moon, but it's much less than on Earth. But of course, oh yes, it says Mars has about 38% of Earth's gravity. Okay, let's see what you have found.